Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. We're going to jump into the price for Bitcoin. It's pulling back underneath that red trend line where it broke the down trend line. Normally it's okay to retest, but to retest and break through is not a good sign. Hit the subscribe button, join 77,000, smash up thumbs up button. This is very bad news for Bitcoin. We needed a strong breakout. Without a big breakout like this, most likely we're going to retest and make a double bottom at 17,500. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals. And it's pulling back sitting right on that trend line right now, which is not a good thing. It's sitting right on it. Look at that, it's holding. Stochastic is quite oversold on the 4 hourly. It's trying to hold on here, but most likely it's going to break through. It's sitting on it, it's bouncing on it, multiple bounces. So there's two ways to take this trade. We can go long here if we get a strong bounce here. If it manages to bounce now, volume is coming in, that's a good sign. But if we can get a bounce here, then we can go long and take this trade over on Bybit. This trade, I'm going to show you the trade. If you want to trade, underneath the video, in the description of this video down below, you can sign up in the description under the video. Go down, sign up to Bybit. You get a $4,450 sign up bonus when you use this link down below. So go down, click on this link in the description, sign up to Bybit, and you get that $4,450 when you sign up and trade. And there's where you can trade Bitcoin. And I would go long here with a tight stop loss just underneath, stop loss at 19,445, take profit at 20,460. So I'd be it's risking $152 to make $862 without leverage. As 5.67 ratio trade. With 10x leverage, it will be $8,600. That's the trade that I would go if it bounces here and then head up to that resistance. It needs to bounce strongly, but to take that trade. If it doesn't bounce here, then unfortunately it's not looking good for Bitcoin. It will retest the lows. If it doesn't bounce here, we would go short. If it breaks underneath this red trend line, we can go short, targeting 18,600. So that's the long that I would take if Bitcoin bounces here. If it bounces and confirms that this line supports and holds, we'll be taking the trade 20,400. If it breaks here, I would be going short on Bitcoin. You can also short on Bybit. I would take a short from this position. Stop loss very tight, because if it plays out, it's either going to play out or not. And I would put the support all the way, the take profit down here on this trend line. This trend line that was a big trend line from before. So I'd put the take profit all the way down here. And that would be risking, it's a nice trade to take if it shorts actually. It would be terrible for the markets in general, but good trade to take. Risking $94 to make $686 on the short. With 10x leverage, that'll be $6,800 of profit, 7.26 ratio trade. So those are the true trades I would take on Bitcoin. If we get a strong bounce here and this volume follows through, we'd be going long to 20,400. If it breaks underneath, I'd be then going short to that 18,700. Those are the two trades that I would be taking on Bitcoin. Unfortunately, it's not looking too good. It should have broke out stronger. Magiccraft is also pulling back today, down 3%, sitting at 0.0111. So 1 cent, just above 1 cent, 0.011. So Magiccraft is holding on right now. There's some good news coming out from Magiccraft as well. We listed on Huobi Exchange, I think yesterday or the day before yesterday. We listed on Huobi. We will be I did an AMA with Certic today, which was awesome. Our smart contract orders, the AMA was epic on Twitter. MCRT is now tradable on Huobi Global, the 5th biggest exchange in the world, which is very good news. The closed beta will be opening soon. The public beta will be opening soon. We have 5,000 people that are signed up. You can join it too. You need to have 1 million MCRT or 1 Genesis NFT collection to join the closed beta. You can find that out at Magiccraft.io. Pay attention to it. I will be speaking on the 10th. You can come and meet me in Dubai. I'll be speaking at the Dubai World Trade Center, Arena 54. I'll be talking at the Future Blockchain Summit. I'll be hosting a panel about the impact and developments of the metaverse, which is going to be awesome. Come and join me there. And BSC chain went down. This is the Magiccraft token, MCRT token on the BSC chain. And you can see here that today it went quiet for about 5 hours. That's because BNB got hacked. The BSC chain got hacked for around $100 million at the moment. And Binance closed and held the chain. Now they're active again, but you can see that directly on MCRT. You can see that this is the token activity of MCRT, and you can see that for a few hours there was no token activity because the the BSC chain was held because of this hack. This is people rest in peace Bitcoin 2011, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 2008, and then 2022. People saying the same thing. James, your videos are amazing. Please never stop doing what you do. Thank you so much, Daniel. Richard, love your daily updates. You're truly a genuine, humble soul. Thank you, Richard. MCRT is listing on CoinDSX, one of the biggest exchanges in India, and this is how the beta invitation will work for the closed beta. This just came from the smart contract developers. So how to get the beta invitation, connecting the wallet, connected, checking availability, and then boom, and then you add your email, and then once you install the game, you'll have access to the game. We will announce. That looks very simple, but it's actually a Web3 integration that it's checking to see if your wallet has 1 million MCRT snapshotted during the last 10 days. You need to hold 1 million MCRT for 10 days, or one original Genesis NFT collection, which is beautiful. Check out MCRT. You can see the links to buy down below. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day. Hit the subscribe button, comment on every video. My team is picking 5 winners every month, $200 worth of MCRT each, giving away $1,000 a month back to the community. Comment down below. Are you part of MCRT? How long have you been following the video? Do you want me to analyze any cryptocurrencies? Thank you for watching. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.